What's good? So today is Wednesday, November 26th, 2025. I'm going to go over a trade we took this morning in my Discord group. We took a trade on gold, right? We took a trade on gold in which, as you can see here, somebody made 1,200 on their funded account. Somebody made 245 on their funded account. Another 289. And then as well as 1,900, right? And so the trade we took today, as well as on these two other funded accounts, 348 on that one. This one is actually a live one that I've already passed. And then this one I'm still in the process of passing, but made, it was still like 300 something. So on both of those funded accounts, I made about 300 something. I don't know why it's not working right here, but I'm going to briefly go over the trade that we took. And so, like I said, the trade that we took was literally right here, what I have drawn out. I'm going to break it down to a certain extent. I'm not going to get the full strategy out, but I'm going to give you basically how I found this setup, where we entered, and what ended up happening, right? So let me go ahead and clear all this off. And so, like I said, we were trading gold. And when I'm trading gold, I typically look to, well, when I'm trading anything, I typically look to, one, follow the trend on a higher time frame, and look for some type of break of a structure and retest, or some type of double top, double bottom, right? That's what I'm looking for in all my entries, all right? So when it came down to this, I see we had a break here, right? We had a break of this resistance right here. So at this point, I know I'm only looking for buys, right? Based off of that, I would then have a zone that I would mark off in which I would want to see the market enter and give us some type of price action to give us some type of buy signal, right? And so as I can see here, boom, the market comes up, it gets into our zone, right? It gets into our zone. From here, I literally will go to a lower time frame to find my entry, right? And so boom, it comes into our zone. Now I go to lower time frames to find our entry, right? As well as that, I'll sit here, we'll wait to find our setup. And I want to say we entered here. Yes, we entered exactly here on this candle off of this setup here, off of this reversal pattern, exiting out of this zone that I wanted it to retest into. And from there, I set a stop loss at this low, a little bit below this low. And after about a little bit, I want to say about 2 hours, let me see, 2.5 hours, we was able to catch that trade in which we caught a little bit over a 1 hour on this morning. So that was the only trade that we caught this morning, but as you can see, definitely had some good results off of that. Honestly, we kind of just stopped looking at the charts after that trade, as we're going into the holidays, and we're just like, hey, just end the day with a solid trade going into Thanksgiving without losing any money, right? So moving forward, I'm going to start breaking down trades that my group takes daily, wins, losses, everything. And so definitely tap into this channel, subscribe, like the video. But like I said, I'm going to start dropping content every single day, basically going over the trades that we looked at, what we went into, what we traded, why we traded it. Like I said, I'm not going to give the full details on like the exact entry, why we took that exact entry, but I'm going to show you like basically the setups, the zones I was looking at and stuff like that, so you can still learn. But if you want, the complete details of everything, the indicators that I use to be part of the live sessions that I have every single morning, then you'll have to join the Discord group. And so other than that, I'm definitely going to be back, like I said, posting every single day. Now, if we don't take a trade, it won't be a post, but Every day that we take a trade, I'll literally be posting and keeping y'all updated on the results from the group. And so, other than that, I will see y'all in the next video.